Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So I already have my morning skincare routine up on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that video out. But today I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine with a bunch of affordable skincare products. So yeah, if you want to know my skincare routine, then please keep on watching. So I have my makeup on, so first of all I will remove it. But before we do that, I just want to tell you guys that I have been using this product for more than I don't know, I can't even remember since when I'm using these products. It has been a long time. On days when I do not apply my makeup but I have my sunscreen on, I still use a makeup remover just to get rid of that sunscreen residue, because sunscreen is generally very heavy for your skin and it sits on top of your skin. So it's just a good idea to remove it, especially if your sunscreen is not non-comedogenic. So yes, the makeup removers that I use and absolutely love are the Earth Rhythm Cleansing Balm, which looks like this, and the second one is this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is how it looks, and I really like both of these. This one can sting a little bit near the eye area when it emulsifies, especially if you have a very sensitive skin. So if you have really sensitive eyes, then I would not suggest you guys to go with this near your eyes. But yes, both of them are really great options. But I am going to double cleanse my skin today using this Earth Rhythm Cleansing Balm. This is in the Propolis variant. This has a very balmy texture to it, and I'm just going to scoop out a good quantity of it, like this much. You do not need a lot of this product because a little goes a long ways, and then it also emulsifies. So I'm first just going to melt it between my palms, and then I'm going to start massaging it on my skin. First I'm going to go all over my face, then on my eyes. Both of those makeup remover are waterproof makeup remover, so even if you have like waterproof mascara on, liquid lipstick on, it will remove them off easily. Now I'm just going to keep adding a little water to it and massaging it on my face. Also, with this cleansing balm, you just have to ensure that you do not apply it like too close to your eyes. You can apply it on your lids and maybe remove your mascara as well, but do not take it into your eyes. Now I'm just going to wash it off and come right back. Now once my makeup is removed, I am going to take the simple refreshing facial wash. This is how it looks. Double cleansing your face will just ensure that your makeup is thoroughly removed. So make sure you are double cleansing whenever you are wearing a makeup. It can be either with a cleansing balm or a micellar water. Then I'm going to take a face towel and I'm going to pat dry my skin. Do not be too harsh with your skin, just gently pat it dry. Now once I have double cleansed my skin, I am going to chemically exfoliate my skin. You can also use your regular scrub instead of chemical exfoliator, but I have been well versed with them since past 1.5 years, so they suit my skin well. And for that I was using the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. I know the Ordinary is not easily available in India, but we have a dupe of it which is called the Minimalist. I have just recently, from past 2 weeks, have started to use this Minimalist AHA 25%, PHA 5% and BHA 2% exfoliating peel, which looks like this, and it has been working really great for my skin. But if you're a beginner with actives, then I think it is way too strong for you, so start slow with it. But yes, I have been using this one instead of my other exfoliating toners, and I quite like it. So with this, what I do on a freshly cleansed skin, you just have to take like 4 to 5 drops of it. And also, this is an optional step. If you want just a fairly simple skincare routine, then you can definitely skip this out. Make sure you do not apply exfoliating toner or exfoliating peel near your eye area, because that is too sensitive and too thin. And now I will just let it sit on my skin for 10 minutes and then I will wash it off with warm water. Also, with any exfoliating toner, serum or peel, I would highly suggest you guys to please use your sunscreen in the daytime, because that can do more harm than good for your skin. So yes, make sure you are applying your skin in the morning, even if you're not going out. Also, a disclaimer right there, do not use this facial peel every single day, or do not use exfoliating toners every single day, because that again can harm your skin. You do not want to over exfoliate your skin, because that can lead to weakened skin barrier. So yeah, twice a week is good to go. Once a week is also more than enough. So yes, I think that was more of a disclaimer than a review, but yes, I really like this exfoliating peel. If you are like well versed with chemical exfoliators, again, then this is really great. It does make your skin very smooth, reduces texture, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, sebaceous filaments and everything. So it has been 10 minutes now. I am going to wash my face with some warm water and come back to you guys. Now comes time for the toner. Toners absorb better when your skin is still damp. So as you can see, I have just washed my face, so my skin is still damp. So I am going to use this Clear Supple Preparation Facial Toner, or I would also suggest this Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is how it looks, and it is a really great toner. It just soothes your skin and cures any inflammation and acne. This toner is very rich and moisturizing, and it feels almost like essence. It is thick and feels really beautiful on the skin because it just makes your skin so soft and glowy. You can also take your toner on a cotton pad. I just like to apply it with my hands. After this, you can apply some serum on your skin. I am going to use this Minimalist Alpha Arbutin plus Hyaluronic Acid 1% serum. Alpha Arbutin is great to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone. And hyaluronic acid in it just soothes your skin and moisturizes it by attracting any moisture from the environment or the moisturizer that you're applying on top of it. So it just really increases the efficacy of it and locks in the moisture. So yeah, I am going to use this one. You can use any serum. You can also use vitamin C serum, niacinamide serum, hyaluronic acid serum, squalene, or whatever you want to. Again, you do not need too much, just like 4 drops of it. Also, kindly pour the serum in your palms first. Do not do the thing that Instagrammers do, like they pour it like this. Do not do that. It is not good for your serum. It can boost bacteria growth in there, which is not good, you guys, not good. I'm just going to spread it between my palm and apply it on my skin. Serum is again a very optional step. You can skip it altogether if you want a minimal skincare routine. Now after that, I'm going to finally apply my moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I use is this Re-Equil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Ceramide and hyaluronic acid is a great combination to combat premature aging and fine lines. It deeply moisturizes your skin. Oily skin might feel it to be a little heavy, especially in the summer season. But I also have oily skin and I like using it more in my nighttime skincare routine. I use some other moisturizer in the daytime. But yes, since in the nighttime I just have to apply it and just go to sleep, so it does not bother me that much. So yes, I'm going to take like a good quantity of it, warm it up, and then apply it on my skin. Do not forget your neck because it also needs some extra love and care. So I have moisturized my skin quite heavily and it will just help my skin soothe and restore. So I've already shown you guys the Wadi herbals in my morning skincare routine. So now in the night time, I'm going to use this Khadi Naturals Wine Grapefruit Lip Balm. This lip balm is so good and it has been my holy grail since I think 3-4 years now, and I really like this lip balm. This lip balm is again great to heal any chappiness or dryness on your lips. So yes guys, that was it for my nighttime skincare routine. All the products that I have used in this video will be linked in my description box below, so make sure you check them out. You are free to customize your skincare routine and add or subtract any skincare step. This was just my skincare routine and what works for me. So yes, I hope you found this video helpful. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be mentioned in my description again. And yeah, so now I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.